Hello everyone, welcome to this 5th day of English speaking challenge in the public places. So guys, I'm ready. I have wrapped it up. But actually brother is asking about the channel name. Thank you so much brother. I will continue this vlog. I will be making until I complete it. And you have to share this video.
I'm perfect in English, don't know English, but I'm मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत समझ सकता हूँ, बोल सकता
Hello everyone, welcome to this 5th day of English speaking challenge in the public places. You have to watch this video till then because I will be speaking in front of the public without getting afraid, without getting bored. Guys, you have to watch this video till the end. Today we are going to post this parcel for Jaipur in the post office. So you don't have to miss any part of this video if you are interested in learning English, because here you will get confidence. And please, if you like the video, then you have to like and subscribe to this channel and comment on the video. Okay, so let's begin. Guys, firstly I need to wrap this parcel tightly with tape so that no one can open this parcel on the way. So guys, I'm ready. I have wrapped it up with the tape. I'm going to post it for Jaipur. So let's go. It's around 4 kg. How many days will it take to deliver? 5 दिन. Can I pay in cash or online? So take it. Sir, can you give me receipt? Thank you, sir. So guys, as you have seen, I have posted that parcel in the post office, and now I'm going forward for shooting this vlog. Okay, actually brother is asking about the channel name. That is why I'm typing on this mobile phone. So in the morning I found someone who is subscribing my channel. This is my channel. There are only 874 subscribers right now. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. So he subscribed my channel. Just try to speak in public, because let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the secret of speaking. People will only make fun of you till you become fluent. Then they will clap. Once you become fluent, all people who used to make fun of you, they will clap. They will clap for you. They will clap. That is why I'm saying, just practice without being afraid, without thinking about anything. Just try to practice everywhere without any kinds of hesitation, without any kinds of fear. Just try to speak in public. That is why I'm making these vlogs, so that you guys will also be motivated by watching these videos. Okay, so guys, that is why I'm saying, come what may, you don't have to stop practicing. Just practice every day. Practice and practice. Practice will make you perfect. Only practice is the thing which will make you perfect in any kinds of new language. If you want to improve in English language, if you want to improve in Spanish, if you want to improve in Japanese, if you want to learn German, whenever you are learning a new language, you will have to practice. You will have to speak every day. You will have to do hard work. And practicing is not a very hard work. It is very enjoyable thing. It is very much enjoyable thing. So this is day 5th of this challenge. I'm making this vlog for you, and I will continue this vlog. I will be making until I complete it. Until I complete it, I will be making so that you guys will be inspired, so that you guys will be motivated by watching these videos. So you have to support me. You have to like the video. You have to share this video in all places. So guys, today I am going forward now, and guys, only practice is the secret. If you want to start thinking in English language, if you want to think in English language, you will have to do it. You cannot neglect practicing. You can neglect other steps, but not practice videos.
I see.
So I don't have to speak in Hindi language. That is why I cannot shoot your vlog. I cannot
Don't mind
upload.
my brother. I'm I'm proper English, don't know English, but I'm मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत समझ सकता हूँ, बोल सकता हूँ.
Very good, uncle. You are trying. You are trying your best. You can
Yes.
speak. Try.
Of course, of course. My name is Vishwaru Mukherjee. My name is Vishwaru Mukherjee. I'm posting by District Court, Habibpur. I'm living from Prayagraj. And present time I'm living my house, Rani Lakshmi
Yes, sir.
8081 Rani Lakshmi behind Vimal Nursing Home.
Okay, sir.
Then again your questions, please. मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि आप क्या पूछना चाहते हैं, कुछ हमें बताइए इसके बारे में क्या.
Actually, this is an English channel. I have taken challenge that I have to speak on the public places.
Oh, I see.
In public places for 100 days.
अच्छा, I see.
So I have completed. I already have completed 4 days.
Okay.
This is my 5th day,
Fifth day.
and I am making this vlog in public,
I know.
so that my viewers will watch this
Very
video.
good. I'm proud of you and God bless you. मैं आपको विश करता हूँ.
Thank you so
भविष्य उज्जवल हो, best of luck and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
meet you.
Thank you so much. Many guys are supporting. Haven't you seen that uncle was speaking in English language and he is speaking confidently? Haven't you seen he was not able to speak perfectly, but he tried his best. Buy two, get one free. This is a mall, a small mall. Guys, let's go in the mall. This is the V-Mart mall. Let's go. So guys, right now I am in the V-Mart mall, and as you can see, everything is so clear here. We can check all the clothes. If you want to buy something, we can check, and after that we can pay the price. These are the pants. Guys, there are so many clothes we can check. These are the guys. There are the shoes, you can check it. There are so many kinds of sweets you can see here. Everything, drinks, cold drinks, biscuits, everything will be available in this mall. I think there's nothing there is nothing what I can buy. I don't have money, so I will have to go. Guys, I need to drink water, so for buying water, I will have to cross the road carefully because I'm thirsty. I'm little bit thirsty. I need to take water. So let's buy here. Uncle, do you have water? Pani hai?
No.
Yeah. So I just need to drink this water. I actually wanted this water. I don't have to drink cold water. See guys, I found a little guy. He said, do you make videos on YouTube? Do you upload? So I am just searching my channel name on his phone. And thank you. Thank you, buddy. Yeah. Guys, I am drinking coconut water. For the first time. I never drunk in my life. I never drank. So this is my first time I'm drinking. I was just making this vlog. I found this guy here. I found coconut. There are so many coconuts here, and I thought that I should definitely drink. This will be my first experience with this. Thank you. I am drinking this coconut water. This is tasty. Yeah, I found it is tasty and very healthy. It is very healthy for our skin, for our health. Vlog. Actually, uncle, this is an English channel. I have to speak in public places for 100 days. I took a challenge. So, thank you.
Good, आपकी बात है. Extend अपना रस्ते हैं. ठीक, बढ़िया, good job.
Uncle is saying good. You are doing good. So, my purpose of making video is I just want to show you how many people are supporting us, how many people are not supporting us. Everyone is supporting us. Just try to explain, try to try to do whatever you want. You will find the universe will help you. Universe will help you to achieve that thing.